In this video, I'll talk about Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner Spray. It really helps to keep my hair moisturized and fresh. This leave-in is perfect for all hair types, protects hair against damage, and detangles on the go. It's infused with Australian jojoba oil and sea kelp. I really love the smell. I get compliments when I use it. The product description says, "Insurance is so beautiful. Give your hair extra protection against damage with Aussie Hair Insurance Leave-In Conditioner. Our Australian jojoba oil and sea kelp infused formula instantly tames, softens, and smooths hair, leaving it bouncy, strong, and kissed with a scent of citrus, florals, and musk." To get insured, simply spray it on damp hair without rinsing for a carefree style that's good to go. The warnings are: avoid spraying in eyes, use only eyes directed, keep out of reach of children. This product can make floors and other hard surfaces slippery. As I mentioned in my previous video on the benefits of using a leave-in conditioner, a good leave-in contains ingredients that add slip and softness to hair, making the detangling process a lot smoother so that you can easily comb through it and section it. Aussie Hair Insurance contains aloe vera leaf extract, also known as Aloe barbadensis. Here are some benefits of aloe vera. It adds strength and luster to hair, helps hair retain water and moisture, pH balancing, heals scalps affected by psoriasis and seborrhea, easily penetrates hair and scalp, relieves scalp itching, reduces scalp redness and inflammation, has antifungal properties, alleviates dandruff. This product also contains jojoba oil. Jojoba oil can be a great addition to your hair care regimen. It enhances the act of conditioning your hair, leaving it with better strength, shine, and manageability. Jojoba oil is very helpful in treating dry scalp and dandruff issues. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals that nourish hair over time. It's a great product for promoting strong, silky, and shiny hair. Jojoba oil may indeed prevent hair breakage and strengthen your locks. It could also be helpful in treating dandruff, dry scalp, and itchy scalp. The oil can moisturize the scalp. It contains vitamin C, B vitamins, vitamin E, copper, and zinc. Because it strengthens hair, it is also thought that jojoba oil can prevent hair loss and promote hair thickness. Aussie Hair Insurance contains Australian sea kelp, also known as Eclonia radiata extract. Sea kelp is a highly prized seaweed often used in hair care products to help promote healthy hair and to condition it. Here are the full ingredients. This leave-in conditioner works for me. It leaves my hair shiny, soft, and easy to comb. It keeps my hair moisturized throughout the day, and it's really affordable. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll gladly answer it. And also feel free to comment about your experience with leave-in conditioners. What is your favorite leave-in conditioning treatment? Leave your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Have a wonderful day.